Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use your phone as a gamepad for Android TV. Open the Play Store on your phone and search for Zank. Once you're in, select Zank Remote. Now, open the Play Store on your TV, go to search and type in the same thing. Zank. You'll see Zank Android Remote. Install it and open it up. On your phone, tap Search and your TV will show up. Tap on it, then tap Start. Next, tap the gamepad option and you can start using your phone as a gamepad. There you go. Now you can use your phone. That's it. Goodbye, everyone.